Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Ollama locally and run an AI model directly on your own computer. No cloud dashboard, no complicated setup, no guessing. We are going to open the terminal, run the commands, download a model, chat with it, and then test the local API. In this tutorial, we will do 5 things. First, we will install Ollama. Second, we will confirm the installation. Third, we will download and run a local AI model. Fourth, we will manage downloaded models. And fifth, we will test the local Ollama API. Let's start with Windows. If you're not using Windows, skip to the macOS or Linux section. Open PowerShell. If you run into permission problems, you can reopen it as administrator, but the normal install usually works from your user account. Paste this command and press Enter. This downloads and runs the official Ollama installer script for Windows. You may see installation progress similar to downloading Ollama, installing Ollama, Ollama installed successfully. The exact output may vary. Once installation finishes, close PowerShell and open a new PowerShell window. This refreshes the terminal path so the Ollama command is available. Run Ollama-V if you see a version number, Ollama is installed correctly. If the command does not work, run where Ollama. If Windows says Ollama is not recognized, close and reopen PowerShell. If it still fails, restart your computer and try again. Now for macOS. On macOS, Ollama is installed as an app. After launching the app, it sets up the command line tool. Open your browser. Go to https://ollama.com/download. Click Download for macOS. Download the macOS version from the Ollama website. Open Finder. Go to Downloads. Double-click the downloaded .dmg file. Drag Ollama into Applications. Open Applications and launch Ollama. Open the DMG, drag Ollama into Applications, and then launch it. If macOS asks for permission to install the command line tool, allow it. Open Terminal. Run Ollama-V if you see the version number, Ollama is ready. You can also run which Ollama. This shows where the Ollama command is installed. Now for Linux. Linux is the most terminal-friendly installation. Open Terminal. Paste this command into your terminal and press Enter. This downloads and runs the official Linux installation script. You may see output similar to installing Ollama to /usr/local, creating Ollama user, adding Ollama service. The Ollama API is now available at 127.0.0.1:11434. The exact output may vary. Once the install finishes, check the version. Now check whether the Ollama service is running. If the service is active and running, Ollama is ready. If it is not running, start it manually. Now check again. You should see that the service is active. Now that Ollama is installed, let's run our first model. This is the part where the AI model actually downloads to your computer. I am using Gemma 3 as the first general-purpose model. The first time you run this command, Ollama downloads the model. After that, it runs locally from your machine. When you see the triple arrow prompt, that means the model is running and waiting for your message. Type. Explain what Ollama is in simple words. The model should respond with something like, Ollama is a tool that lets you run AI models locally on your computer. Now, we are chatting with an AI model running locally on this computer. To exit the chat, type /by and press Enter. You should return to the normal terminal prompt. On macOS or Linux, it may look like a $sign. On Windows PowerShell, it may look like PSC:\users/ your name. If your computer is slow, use a smaller model. Smaller models are faster and easier to run, especially if you do not have a powerful GPU. This downloads and runs the smaller 1B version of Llama 3.2. Type. Give me 5 video ideas for a TikTok tech account. The model should return a short list of video ideas. This is a good test because it shows whether the model can respond quickly on your hardware. If you want Ollama mainly for programming, use a coding model. This downloads a coding-focused model. It can help with code generation, debugging, and explaining programming concepts. Type. Write a simple Python function that checks if a number is prime. Now you have a local model that can help with coding tasks. Now let's look at the models installed on the computer. Run Ollama list. This command shows all local models you have downloaded. This shows which models are currently loaded into memory. If you see GPU, the model is using your graphics card. If you see CPU, the model is running from system memory and may be slower. Models can take a lot of storage, so here is how to delete one. This removes the selected model from your computer. Now run Ollama list again to confirm it is gone. Now let's test the local API. This is useful if you want to connect Ollama to your own app, website, automation, or Python script. This sends a prompt to the local Ollama server. I added stream false, so the answer comes back as one complete JSON response instead of streaming line by line. On Windows PowerShell, use curl.exe instead of just curl. That avoids PowerShell confusing curl with its own command alias. This lists the models installed locally, but through the API instead of the command line. This checks which models are currently running through the API. If you see this, the Ollama command is not in your terminal path yet. On Windows, close PowerShell, reopen it, and try again. If that does not work, restart the computer. On macOS, run which Ollama. If nothing appears, open the Ollama app, then check again. On Linux, run which Ollama, start the Ollama service, and then run Ollama-v. If the API is not responding, Ollama is probably not running. On macOS, open the Ollama app, then run curl against /API/tags. On Linux, start the service, then run the same curl command. On Windows, open Ollama from the Start menu. Then run curl.exe against /API/tags. If the model is very slow, your computer may not have enough memory or GPU power for that model. Check whether the model is running on CPU or GPU. If performance is bad, try a smaller model. That is the full local Ollama setup. We installed Ollama, checked the version, downloaded a model, chatted with it, listed local models, removed a model, and tested the local API. If this helped, save the video, because these are the exact commands you will use every time you set up local AI with Ollama.